Understanding the sixth punishment of this Qi Men Dun Jia. So the sixth punishment in Chinese definition is called 6义极刑. So in this form of definition, we must understand that why this is happening and how does it implies in any divination or any forecasting we are doing in Qi Men Dun Jia. So this sixth punishment is going to be something related to these stories itself. We understand that the Jia itself, there's a lot of hidden these stems. That means all the genre itself is going to be represented by the Jia. That means the Jia will be hidden under each of the 物己更新人魁. And then after that, we are able to find where is the real Jia behind. And of course, with the total branch itself coming into the individual stems, it's going to identify which Jia and which stem is going to be represented by the real Jia itself. So the Jia will never be happening in these 9 palaces. So apparently we must understand it is only represented by this particular stem, which is 物己更新人. Okay, so what happened is this. Within this hidden Jia, there's also a hidden stems, also a hidden branch. So we must take within the hidden branch itself. When the hidden branch is actually located in specific place of this palace, both of the branches actually are conflicting with one another. So when both of them are conflicting with one another, it becomes a struggling situation. So when this kind of struggling situation, it makes the whole palace become damaged. So when it's damaged itself, it's going to create the kind of situation whereby anything that you are going to see in that particular palace is not going to be very, very interesting. You see? So 6义极刑, sixth punishment, means that when the thing happens, this is going to create a chaos in that particular palace. Which means that when you want to do a divination or a forecasting under Qi Men Dun Jia, when a sixth punishment happens in that particular box, you have to be very, very careful. That means the entire box itself, the entire palace, is going to be hugely damaged, heavily damaged, which tell us that whatever things that's inside the symbols, the god, the doors, and all the stars itself, plus the stems itself, is going to be heavily damaged. So it does not spell anything good about this. So which means that this layer of information, when this is going to happen or already happened due to the situation, and it's going to create a big chaos. So which means that eventually most of the answers that you're going to go into will not be very positive. Unless you're looking for a negative answer, then this negative answer will be enhanced. It become a good thing for you. So we have to be respectful in what the question is going to be. That means for yourself, what are you questioning regarding the situation? And then from there, based on the question, to see whether this situation of the sixth punishment is going to be very, very positive or very, very negative, depending on what angle you are looking at. So the sixth punishment is always happening to the stem itself. That means respective stem, which I will indicate in this particular thing, within the chart itself, which you have seen in this particular chart is either, the respective information in this chart itself. Okay.